Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan?
Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan?
Welcome back sa Spang Dwanda Vlog starring Pabibo.
Welcome back sa Spang Dwanda Vlog starring Pabibo.
Ako si Pabibo.
Ako si Pabibo.
So may bagong laruan po si Nitro. Nakakainis siya kasi ginagaya kanya.
Nitro!
Bala!
Where's your tenga?
Where's your tenga?
Where's your chin?
Where's your chin?
Where's your nose?
Nose.
Where's your kamay?
Where's your kamay?
Where's your kamay?
Where's your kamay?
Everybody clap! Play with your toy. It's your best friend.
It's your best friend.
Pag nakakatawa man ako.
Stop laughing kasi!
Hello, baby Nitro. Hello, baby.
Baby Nitro. Hello, baby.
It never ends. I'm spinning it. Mama. Good boy. Sana all.
So as you can see, Nitro loves that freaking toy. As in, paborito na talaga niya. If you want to get that toy, kung gusto niyo bumili, there is a affiliate link in the description below. So you can purchase that on Amazon and support us at the same time through that link. You can buy the Cactus Dancing Mimic toy. Ayan. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood sa video na to. And we'll see you sa sunod video ng Dwanda. Bye for now.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.